What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning. All right, let's see here. So this is some old stuff here. This is just holding. I'm not trading today. I'm not trading this week. Just holding. So we'll see what goes on there. GN. This one yesterday was interesting as well. It's a 15-minute chart. Sorry. So this was a pretty decent one yesterday. And then in after hours decided to explode. And then today just kind of traded sideways. Not really done anything yet. Let's see. Q and RX. Nope. Ugh. Swear to goodness, I don't know how it happens every time. Like I don't touch my glasses, but yet somehow I get a fingerprint right where my eyeball wants to look. Uh, all right, let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. We can see now. All right, so CALC. Yeah, I don't really see it. I don't get it. Oh, it's good. I got it. I gotta change that. There you go. That's better. That's better. All right. So CALC, where is it going? Broke through major resistance at 114. Well, it does have a gap at 196, so a good possibility is it's going to 197. Good possibility. Not guaranteed, but good possibility it's going there. We'll call first target 147. All right, so there's that. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Boom. Let's go here. Let's do this. Why is this having so many issues? It's weird. All right, there we go.
CALC.
Okay, where the hell's my music? There we go. All right, so let's watch CLAC. 29. See if 147 hits. Remember, you can draw yourself your trend lines already. You got some place to go, right? Once it breaks the trend line, then you know, hey, well, there's a possibility if it breaks that trend line and it breaks volume weighted average price, which is the yellow line, then you're screwed. It's going down for the most part. All right. Let's see. Questions here. What's up, the one squib? Good morning, Night Owl. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hopefully you can hear me just fine. So as I told you guys before, the past 2 weeks, yeah, those were traps. Those were traps. Guarantee you. Sounds good, Jay. Thank you, Night Owl. Those were traps. If you notice this week everything's changed. You've got a lot that pump maybe 100% or close to 100% and then completely dump. When the past 2 weeks you've had consistent runners that pumped, held, and pumped even more. Here's WEN coming off of this double bottom here on our little 15-minute chart. Let's go take a look at the 30. So this thing's already been at 830. It's currently at 777. So $8, obviously. So 797. That's your first target here on WEN. 20 cents. 816. Another 20 cents there. That's TP2. All right, so there you go. You have that one all lined out. When. So let's see when break 777 and get back up to it. Thank you for sharing live. What's up, Gonzo? Good morning. What up, Two Down? Told you. Feels weird, right? Everything feels weird. You could still make money, but it's right now it's a little harder because you don't know when something's just gonna drop real hard. I mean, technically it's been like that the whole time, but there's a higher probability right now of things doing exactly that. ABSI, says Debbie. Again, double bottom, currently trying to break through its next little spot here. All right, so let's see. Currently sitting at 903. The next stop on this one, maybe 932. There's your target one, ABSI. Target two, it's gonna be somewhere right around here. Yeah, I'd feel confident with 62. 962. There you go. There's target two, 962. Any gaps above here? No gaps. 1004. 1037, 1038. There you go. There's your targets for right now. This thing can rip. It's got a gap at 1290. That is very far away. That is not something that I would say, hey, yeah, we've got a good chance of hitting that. So there you go. You got ABSI all lined out for you. Here's Scalp. Once it breaks volume weighted average price, could be done, which means just it's going to drop back down to where it was. So you can draw yourself a trend line. You can draw from here to here as long as you catch the tips. I get new glasses, man. These things are starting. It's hard. So there you go. So it breaks this trend line, breaks volume weighted average price, and she going down. Radio singing, coffee, black car seats and back. Granddad's greased up trucker. Remember, guys, taking profits on the way up into strength, not into weakness. When stuff starts breaking down like this, I've noticed it's a lot easier to tell my wife that, hey, yeah, I made money, instead of, oh, yeah, I lost money. It's a lot easier. All right, let's see where this thing's going. All right, so this thing looks like it's trading in a nice little channel. This ABSI. Nice little channel. Come on. Actually, that might be a rising wedge. There you go. And CALC dropping down. Looks like it's going to come down to about 110. If it hits 110 and momentum continues the direction that it's going, you'll probably see $1. It breaks $1, it's going to come right back down under $1. More likely, it looks like it's going to come down under $1. Man, just like 2 minutes ago when I looked at PLSM, it wasn't doing nothing. Now it ripped. Mother pucker. Oh, that puck. That puck. Wow. That's funny. It's crazy. It's crazy. I literally just looked at it 2 minutes ago. All right, so you guys see 10's the highest it's been, 1028. So you're looking for it to get back to that. There's a good probability that it does. 870, 880 right now. 899. There you go. There's 940. Your take profit one's going to be 1028. 10 profit, take profit 2. It's 1132. Take profit 3, you're going to look at something around 1393. There's take profit 3. Remember, this thing's already ripped 163%. And it's got blue skies right now. There's 970, 990. Come on, a little more. There's 1007. Come on, back over 10. Come on, bids. Stack on up. All right, guys, go ahead and hit the like, the follow, the share. There's 1090 right there. There's 1123. Don't you love it when a plan works out? Oh boy. Let's go. 1138. Another solid push. Remember, clear skies. We're at 1170 already. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, push it. That was nice. Thanks, Jrock. Pulled some cash on PLSM. Good job, Captain. Good job. Come on. Let's go. Break 12. Run. There's 1271, 1288. Come on, 13. Let's go. 1317, 1321, 1396. Boom. Shakalaka. If you made some money on that one, why don't you throw some fireballs in the chat? There's 1478. Oh, doggy. It's only done the float twice almost. Very close to twice. Almost there. Man, if this thing really wants to go, we'll say it will. Here's the top target on it for it right now. 2243. That's the top target on this thing. There you go, Night Owl. Beautiful. Beautiful. And this one's up 390% so far. There's 18. Remember, take some profits off the table. Don't let them have your money once you already got it. The bids are still stacking up. There's 1928 right there. It's eating through those walls. Come on, get back over 19 and stay up there. Man, what a beast. All right, we don't usually like this candle. It's usually a reversal candle, but the way the market's been, I don't know. Although the asks are stacking up, so very likely. I mean, it did just pump all that way from $3.99 to 19.52. On the way down, it breaks this little guy at 13.92. If it breaks down that far, oof. You didn't take some profit, something wrong with you. And Calc, here's Calc. Calc also doing the same. After that run to 137, decided to come back down. This one came back down. So it's trying to turn back around, get back over to the volume weighted average price. It didn't break a dollar. Did it? Did it? Nope, didn't break a dollar. Hit a dollar on the way down. Bounced off of it. Could this be that ugly pattern that we always see? Could this be it? All right, let's see. Does it have another push? All it has to do is get over 1728 and it's got the next push. This one here, I think this one's going to be done here. This one ain't looking so tight. Coming back down probably 90 cents. There's 97. There you go. WEN making the moves. WEN still making the moves. There you go. So WEN, we got 1, we got 2, we got 3, almost got 4 on WEN. I lined this out for you right when we got on the live stream this morning. Yeah, Brian, right there. Very first thing I did this morning when I got on the live stream is line this out for you. Then you got FRTT. Put that over here. FRTT running as well, 170% so far. 230%. Man, this is another one of them. $7 was the high. Okay, so it breaks $7. Let's go. Is this another runner? Another one of them runners. Another crazy one. Let's see. So there's 709. Okay, looks like it's coming down. That's a big pullback, if anything. Yeah, she's folding like a cheap tent. Come on, get back. All right, so there's 709. If it can break that 709 with good momentum, you're going to be looking somewhere around like that 972. Needs to hold that $4. Come on. Bids are stacked on FRTT. And they all disappeared just like that. Man. So we have tools that we get to use. It just it's really unfair that the tools that we get to use are so delayed. And not only are they delayed, but they're inconsistent. It's kind of funny. We have the level 2, which is delayed and inconsistent because they can trade on the dark pool. And yeah, they can use their own shares. They can dump their own shares into the market while we're thinking we're buying up good news and things are great. We're getting stuffed like a turkey if you're trying to make a turducken. We got a F cell. F cell currently nice little move. Moved up from 22 bucks to 26 bucks. It's a higher float, just kind of hanging out around 26 bucks right now. Breaks 26 bucks, you're probably going to see 27. So when I say there's a dirty pattern on the screen, this is a dirty pattern. Double topped, came down, give you a little fake out. This is what I call the fake out right here. Fake out. You still see your MACD folding down, and then it dumps even more. Coming back down to the volume weighted average price. 776 breaks that, coming down to 765, breaks that, probably coming back down to 728 on WEN. That's what they're gonna do to you. I mean, look at PSLM, PLSM. God dang it, freaking dyslexia. Down to 12 bucks. There's your volume weighted average price. Breaks through volume weighted average price, coming back down to this one at 1133. Where did I tell you it was going to have some trouble? Right at that blue line. Breaks that blue line, going to volume weighted average price. There's that pattern again. One top, two top, and then fake out and break down. It needs to hold volume weighted average price. If it doesn't, then screwed. MRNO. So let's see if Wendy's can bounce off of the volume weighted average price there. There's MRNO. Nice little 39-cent stock. Your target is 55 cents MRNO. Breaks 55 cents. You're probably going to get 72. Breaks that. You're probably going to get somewhere in the 90s here. Maybe 92. There's your targets on MRNO. Just hit 41.74. Little bit more. Just a little bit more. PLSM bouncing off the volume weighted average price nicely. Now we're gonna see if it can get through 1491 again. Remember, there's profit taken on the way up here. Algorithms are basically testing the waters. This is this is a liquidity pool right here. That's a liquidity candle. That's them testing liquidity. When they test liquidity, FOMO happens to a lot of traders. They jump in, helps it up, helps it up, helps it up, and then the algos decide to dump. People decide to take profit, and it moves the stock down. Once again, algos step in at the volume weighted average price, push it up a little bit more. Some people see that as a reversal, especially when you have this little pretty candle right here sitting there telling you it's got a reversal. This is a hammer candle. Let's see, back down to 1133. See that? It's that pattern again. Double top, down, fake out, push up, boom, breakdown. Next stop, 1087. Take your profits on the way up and you'll make some money. Be a greedy pig like me and lose. That's how it goes. You got the trading stock blues. Oh, gosh darn it. Sorry. uh, all right. Keep on looking. There you go. There you go. What did I say? Didn't I tell you? Right there. 1187. All right, breaks this little guy. This 1083. Coming down 1020. Breaks this last support. Coming back down to 870 after that. Billy, what's up, Billy? ADTX? Yeah, ADTX was good yesterday. What's it look like today? Better than it sitting at, 2 pennies. But yeah, it pumped to 7 cents. Yes, 7 cents? That was six. I guess six. I thought it was seven for some reason. Yeah, it pumped to 6 cents yesterday from two and a just a little less than 2.5 there, but in pre-market dropped to 183. 0.0183. So I mean, currently, if you look at the chart, you're seeing that downtrend. You're seeing it break down. If it breaks this, it's probably going to go back to 2 cents. Yeah, probably coming back down to 290s. Breaks 290s on ADTX, coming back down to 0.220. All right, let's see. PLSM trying to show you guys, hey, I've still got some goof. I've still got some goof in me. Trying to be a goofball. Come on. What do we got? How about G plus? Let's check out GPUS. What's it doing? Nothing. Just bouncing off of that 28 cents up to 30. Needs to break volume weighted average price. I would technically say it has to break 33 cents. Could have another run for that 40 cents, but it's got a long way to go. Trying to do a little inverted head and shoulder pattern here. See if maybe FRTT's trying to do a double bottom after that collapse there. Come on. Come on, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. very inactive. I can tell. So the only way these things keep going on TikTok is if we have action on, you know, in the chat and that kind of stuff. They have no action in the chat, that kind of stuff. Why am I even doing it, right? And just go sit in my Discord and hang out with Air. All right, let's see here. Tapping is clapping. What's up, Terry? Long time no see there, buddy. How you doing, man? I'm good, just chilling, you know, just trying to make it through the day. Since the kid started his flag football, it's been kind of tough to just running on fumes, you know. Other than that, everything's good. Trying not to catch the my uncle's little stomach virus. CUPR. Starting to come right back up here. Turn it up. This isn't a downtrend. Cupper's in a steady downtrend. Maybe once market opens, when it hits about 420, maybe it'll turn back around. PLSM, back over volume weighted average price. Let's see that 1392 again. There's 13. Come on. Coming off of a double bottom here. Yeah, we got a real bad call our last game. The ref missed 3 penalties. He missed flag guarding, he missed blocking, and he missed uniform malfunction. We lost the game because that literally, and he even marked it in the wrong spot because he did say, okay, well, the shirt was out, so that malfunction, but instead of marking it where it happened or taking the ball back to where the penalty happened, he took away the touchdown that they got from that run and put them 5 yards away from the end zone when we haven't let him get midfield all day. We wouldn't let him get to midfield. With that one run, they scored. And then that just turned my kids' heads around. Their momentum left. And so then they scored one more touchdown and they won the game. It was 8-13. And basically everything happened after that horrible call, which is on video. We literally have it on video. Yeah, one of the parents actually went out there and even showed him, like, look. Yeah. No, I'm not pissed at all. Hell yeah, I'm pissed. I stand up for my kids. All right. Let's see what Rock is doing. This is a 4 million float. Volume's starting to pick up on it. This might be one of those that decides to wake up. ROC. See, rank 1 computing agrees to acquire Zucaro technical consulting for 500,000 upfront cash consideration and 2.5 million of Rock restricted. Okay. So let's see where it's going. It's already hit 605. There is a gap at 669, so there's your first target, 669. We'll go for that gap. Fill that gap. Then we'll go for 740, 737, something like that. Needs to hold that line where it's at right now. That 540, 550 needs to hold it. If it breaks down back to 515, she be done. So here's your line in the sand right here. Come on, baby. That's a lot of top wick there. A lot of top wick. A lot of top wick. A lot of top wick. This thing, she be coming down. Those bids don't look like they're supporting it at all. We got 1,600 shares sitting at $5. We got 2,100 at 47, 476. Let's see. Yeah, always have them. Always have them. What's up, Stinky Pinky? We'll call you the shocker. Yeah. Now we just need Swinger. Where the hell's Cree? She's chasing some kiddos. And there you go. Like I said, she's looking like she wanted to come back down. She crossed the red line and boom, completely collapsed. These top wicks would have told you that this thing's not healthy. This thing's looking like it wants to come back down. Broke volume weighted average price to the downside. Broke its resistance at 713. Broke this resistance right down here at 436. Literally dumped one candle. Dumped from 529 all the way down to 459. So you got $2, 359. So you got $2 there. What you been doing, Terry? I've been showing some nice cars on the TikTok there, man. Some nice oldies. That's pretty busy. How are your little cabins coming along? Are they all done? Nice. Man, everything's folding like a lawn chair. Everything. I'm still waiting for the SPY to hit 800. Got to 760. Yeah. Too many irons in the fire. I get it. Nice. Good job, Mitchell. I pour myself a cup of coffee. But I'm close on the cabins. Nice, man. Yeah, those cabins are pretty cool. I'm purchasing a trailer, a little 5x8, and I'm gonna make a little runaway trailer out of it. Have a John boat rack. I'm thinking it's gonna have 3 little bunks in it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm debating because I gotta keep it at my uncle's house, so gotta see if I don't want to build it too high because I still want it to fit in his garage. I figured I'm there literally all day. I might as well, help out. All right, coffee time. Oh, you had a little teardrop. Those are fun, man. Those are fun. All right. Ah, first cup of coffee. Let's go. Gotta start solo little teardrop. Yeah, we got that. I got a StarCraft pop up now with toy hauler on front. Need some work. Nice, man. What's up, Jose? I'm chilling. I'm still trying to catch up on some sleep. Not gonna happen. Yeah, I was looking for a used one, but the used ones, they all have issues. Rust, they have, freaking when's the last time you packed the bearings? You know, lots of stuff. Then you got the frickin' then you got the title issues. Does it have a title? So I might as well just buy a brand new one. I don't have to worry about any of that shit. So I've been looking at uh little like 5x8 utility trailers, and then I don't know how to weld. I've never welded, but I reckon I want to learn. So probably gonna buy myself a welder too. And we'll see what kind of mess I can get myself into. Man, it is dead right now. There's nothing going on at the moment. PLSM just dropping. Next stop looks like it's going to be 875. FRTT 330s came down hard. WEN $7.57. Uh, and the ABSI down as well. Got one for 58 bucks. Nice, man. Nice, man. Thanks for stopping in. Good to see you, man. Glad to hear you're busy. Busy's good. Busy's good. I know the less sleep I get, the better I am. Oh yeah, and I'm dealing with my damn floors. So yeah, that's a whole nother mess. So we got everything set up, and then we had the floors. We finally picked out some floors. My wife finally picked out some floors. Took her a week. We go to purchase the floors. Yeah, somebody came in and literally bought out everything in Las Vegas, in Henderson. Back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. Now, it takes my wife a while because she's got that problem where she can't like imagine it. She can't mentally like imagine the oh man. She always asks me, "So what do you think?" I go, "Well, I like the one that you like." No, seriously. Okay, well, I don't like the one you don't like. So. She's like, "Can you give me a good answer?" I said, "Yeah. Yeah. Where do you like this one?" "Oh, see, I don't really like that one." "Okay, yeah, see, I like the other one." Oh, oh God. Come on, Market. You got to give me something. This is ridiculous. Bam, 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 bam. Nothing going on, man. 4:54. I'm going to be heading on over to the Discord here in 6 minutes. Do the live stream there. I'll be doing that live stream from 5 to about 6:30. Oh, dear God, that's good. Oh, come on, caffeine. Come on, caffeine, give me it. So if you guys want to hop on over to the Discord and you don't know how, all you got to do is go to jrockstocks.com. You'll see this little guy right here. All right, you go to jrockstocks.com. If you don't know anything about me, you just scroll down, read the reviews. There's about 100 of them. All right, if you're curious what my track record's like, here's my track record. I update this every Saturday, sometimes on Sunday because, well, I'm busy. So, just a regular guy here, trading, having fun, start a community to have basically a family of traders that are like-minded. We don't push stocks, we don't pump stocks, we don't do that shit. All we do is talk stocks, talk sports, goof off, share family situations, and that. So here's all my receipts. These are the tickers that I called out for June 18th. These are the tickers I called out for June 17th, so on and so forth. So you see, I'm not cherry picking. I'm literally calling out stocks, giving you an entry, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3. And it shows you on the 10th, we had GLE went up 152% from entry. DSS went up 42% from entry. CCHH went up 272% from entry. XOS 28% up from entry. There you go. All these will tell you how much it went up, how much the stocks went up that actually hit the targets. And there you go. Okay, so there's that. If you want to get into the Discord, you click pricing. There's the watch list only. This watch list comes out Sunday through Thursday before 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's see. The track record actually told you how many watch lists I've posted so far since July 13th, 2024. I posted 481 watch lists. It's pretty good. Prediction accuracy on Webull, 77.68%, up from 77.57. Here's the pricing. This is how you get into the Discord live room right here. This is monthly. If you want full access, so both of these for the whole year, and you want to save $479, then you do the 1-year VIP full access, $719. If you want full access monthly, $99. There you go. This is all you get. It's pretty solid. You have access to the trap detector where you plug in a ticker. So let's say you plug in, oh, I don't know, PLSM. Let's see what that looks like. So here you go. So it failed nuclear gate, which is a good sign. PLSM is cleanish. It's a 6 out of 100. It will tell you all the things that it did not hit. Okay, and the only one it's penny stock contact, so that sees it as a bad thing. All right. It's got red flags found here. This is medium flag, priced under $5. So you got your penny stock trade danger. Recent catalyst, recent news, Wednesday 24th. Let's see, 7 a.m. right here. Poulsen Moore announces strategic partnership with OMA Health to expand access to remote prenatal care. Right there, you can click on the link and it'll take you to the PR. So you got that. Here you have recent SEC filings. You click that, takes you to the SEC site, shows you that. You got that. You got Day Trade Analyzer as well. You plug in the ticker, you plug in what you want there, and then you plug in the price. You hit Analyze, and it brings up stuff. So let's see what PLSM looks like. Let's see, and it is opening breakout range. Let's say it's $9.24. And then we hit Analyze and see what it says. 75 out of 100. Last price, 924. There you go. Trade plan, 920, 933. Risk below 336. And target is 21. Now, this may seem high. I guarantee you're sitting there going, what? No way. Well, in all honesty, this thing, if it was on the way back up, I mean, that's pretty close. It hit 1952. 1952, really, just like that. Crazy, huh? Graylin, I'm about to hop on over to the Discord. So yeah, so if you guys want the Discord, go to jrockstocks.com, sign up for full access or just the live trading room. You'll have access to the Discord where I'll analyze stocks, go over shit for you. Gonzo, thank you for the 3 roses. Dark Knight, thank you for the hearts. Me appreciate it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your day and take your profits on the way up. Peace. Party like a rock. Party like a rock star.